Okay, so from here we're going to look at similarity statements. And similarity statements are pretty simple. It's basically like the ratio, but now we're just going to talk about the corresponding angles. So to make the similarity statement, we have to think about the first polygon that's listed, and it's XYZ. So we have to find the corresponding angles to XYZ. And in this case, it's pretty simple because everything is marked with a degree measure or a length. So I'm just going to talk about angles. So initially, I have that angle X is equivalent to angle R. So that's going to be angle X is similar to angle R, or congruent, excuse me. It's a different color. And then next we're going to say that angle Y is congruent to angle S. So angle Y is congruent to angle S. And then lastly, angle Z is congruent to angle T. So now we can go ahead and complete the statement and say that triangle XYZ is similar to triangle RST. I remember order matters. So this example is asking us to complete the similarity statement and then also find the similarity ratio between the two polygons. So we have to go in order. So I'm just going to start from the beginning. And let's go ahead and just mark it up with the angles. So angle U, or quadrilateral UVWX, is going to be similar to the second one, but we have to determine the order. So angle U is congruent to angle T. Angle U and angle T to go together. And then angle V is congruent to angle S. That makes sense. And then we're going to say angle W is congruent to angle R. And then lastly, we're just going to say that angle X is congruent to angle Q. So angle X is going to be congruent to angle Q. So now let's talk about the similarity ratio. I'm just going to go ahead and say that WX is going to be similar to QR. Therefore, I say WX divided by QR is going to equal 15/3, which equals 5. And that's our solution. Oh, I forgot about the order. So the order that we're going to write this in is UVWX TSRQ. One last example. Two polygons are similar. It wants us to complete the similarity statement and state the similarity ratio. So we have TUVW. So let's start with angle T. Angle T goes with angle E. So angle T is congruent to angle E. And then angle U is going to be congruent with angle F. And then angle V is going to be congruent to angle C. lastly, angle W is going to be congruent to angle D. So now let's make the similarity statements. We're going to say TUVW is going to be similar to EFCD. And then our ratio, let's see, it's going to be VW over CD. So we're going to say that VW is over CD. All right, so that's going to be VW is 5 and CD is 15. When I simplify that, I get 1 over 3. And that is my similarity ratio. And this is my equivalence statement. All right, see you in class.